Ethereum is testing a crucial resistance level. If that sounds interesting to you, make sure to continue watching this video. We are getting close to 900 Telegram members. If you guys want to stay up to date with my charts as well as my analysis, make sure to check out the link in the bio. Hey guys, Pingu Charts here. Welcome back to another Ethereum analysis video. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in 35,000 on trading bonus, make sure to check out the link in the bio. Now, as you guys can see on Ethereum, we are once again testing a very key resistance level here at 1645. But I do want to talk about yesterday's moveset. Now, of course, yesterday we saw a very nice manipulation wick going all the way up into the 1670 range before finally falling right back down. We failed to break below 1612, and this was the area that I kept warning you guys all week that I was waiting for it to hit. The reason for this is on the daily time frame, you can see that our 20 exponential moving average was lining up absolutely perfectly in that zone, as well as the fact that when initially saw that dump opportunity on 1657, we never really saw the retest as resistance. Usually when you have a formation like that, you have to be very careful because the idea of always hitting that level has to be there before we see any sort of continuation to the downside, and that's exactly what I had in the back of my mind, as well as for those of you in Telegram, which I warned you guys, wait until 1657 is hit before looking for those shorting opportunities. Right now we are in a very tight consolidation. You can see that we are hovering in between this zone. We would have to break above 1657 and use it as support before we saw any sort of further continuation, as well as the fact that our bearish case scenario remains to be at 1612. Usually with consolidation zones, it's better to just wait until the moveset happens before deciding which direction to go. But of course, for those of you that are a little bit more aggressive in terms of scalping, every time you see the fact that we are seeing a breakout of the exponential moving averages towards the upside, you can look for those long scalp opportunities, hoping that you at least hit into 1657, close the trade, because you don't necessarily want to be playing on these wick opportunities. Just like from the bearish case scenario, if you see that we are heading into 1612, you can enter that shorting position, exit on 1612 in case we do see that continuation towards the upside, and that's pretty much how I trade these consolidation zones. If of course you do end up entering a trade and the breakout does happen, or of course the breakdown does happen, that's great, but in my opinion it's much better to play it safe than sorry, mostly when you are in a consolidation state. Right now Ethereum is in a very large consolidation zone. You can see from previous price analysis, if I were to zoom out of the chart, we saw the same sort of consolidation up here before we saw a massive capitulation, and right now we are seeing the same sort of consolidation before we possibly see the next leg towards the downside. But that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in 35,000 trading bonus, make sure to check out the link in the bio, and I hope you guys have one.